Today's video will make working with your camera just a little bit easier. Hi everyone, in our last theoretical video, we showed you how to manually adjust your camera's exposure settings. But in this theoretical video, we're actually going to take a look at something called semi-automatic modes. If we use automatic mode, the camera does all the adjusting and barely lets us change anything. Semi-automatic modes are particularly useful when your lighting conditions are variable, or if you have very little time or motivation to adjust each photo's exposure separately. Semi-automatic modes are modes that automatically set many camera settings, such as fully automatic mode. But the difference is that semi-automatic modes give us the ability to adjust and change some settings manually so that we have more control over what we shoot. There are three semi-automatic modes: shutter priority, aperture priority, and program mode. We'll start with program mode, marked by the letter P. Program mode is the most similar to automatic mode, as it sets the shutter speed and aperture, but it lets you control the ISO and white balance. The most important thing when using semi-automatic mode is the light meter. In manual mode, we use the light meter to control the exposure for the picture we're about to take. However, in automatic mode, we're going to use it to tell the camera how the photo should be exposed. The camera uses the light meter to measure the scene and adjust the photo's exposure accordingly.
Wait, ow. What do you mean, measure?
Good question. Each camera manufacturer does it slightly differently, but generally speaking, most cameras have three metering modes: spot, center weighted, and multi-mode. Spot measures exposure at a single point, which is either in the middle or at a point that we choose. Center weighted measures a wider area around the center, and multi takes the average of the overall exposure or the majority. Each is made for a different purpose, and each manufacturer has different versions of metering modes that could easily make for its own video. The most versatile is spot metering, and for some cameras, multi-mode. Multi-mode, when combined with object, face, and animal detection, AI, joysticks, and touch control, can tell you information about the subject in focus. But back to semi-automatic modes. Program mode takes the light meter reading and uses it to adjust the shutter speed and aperture based on your ISO setting. You can also set ISO to auto and have program mode fully automatic with the option to adjust white balance. But don't worry about your ISO soaring to unknown heights. If you search through your camera's menu, you'll find a setting for minimum and maximum ISO sensitivity. What about the other two modes? Aperture priority and shutter priority, A and S. Each mode gives you control over what they prioritize, either aperture or shutter speed. And again, the camera adjusts the rest of the settings based on exposure. Here it makes sense to use auto ISO, so that you are sure that the priority setting stays how you set it and that the camera sets the rest. If you have an ISO set to a specific value, you might find for aperture priority that the camera sets a shutter speed that might be a bit too long, and so your photo is naturally blurry. On the other hand, with shutter priority, the photo can be poorly exposed since the aperture is stuck at, say, an extreme value. Now, aperture priority can come in super handy for, say, portraits, when you want to keep a low depth of field and draw a lot more attention to your subject or model. Shutter priority is going to be useful for sports photography or long exposures, where motion blur is the key. For example, waterfalls. So that's how you can save yourself a lot of time and stress when it comes to setting your camera's exposure. Hopefully now you understand when and how to use each semi-automatic mode. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment below. It might be something you're interested in that we could do a video about later. Hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out on another theoretical video or any other Zoner Photo Studio X videos. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Till then, take care. Have a good one.